Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Kaisa Putri Alivia. Di sini saya akan memberikan persuasive speech. Jadi judul persuasive speech saya adalah Should Wild Animals Be Tamed? So the first one is introduction to wildlife diversity. So wild animals form an integral part of biodiversity around the world. They include a variety of species that adapt to their native environment. So let us explore wildlife diversity and their native habitats to better understand the uniqueness and complexity of the natural world there are. So the first is species diversity, second is native habitat, the next is adaptation to the environment, and the last one is role in the food chain. So I will tell you guys the benefits of nature conversation. Nature conversation is a crucial step to ensure of survival of wild animals. So let me explain the role of wild animals and the ecosystem and why nature conservation is important. So the first is ecosystem balance. Ecosystem balance is can help wild animals maintain or by controlling the population of certain and maintaining a balanced food chain. Second is plant pollination. Some wild animals, such as bees and butterflies, play an important in a plant population. This supports plant reproduction and the survival of various types of flora. So the next is pest management. Some wild animals, such as birds of prey and insects, help control pest population that can damage crops and threaten agricultural productivity. So the next is resilient to environmental change. The biodiversity maintained through nature conservation makes ecosystem more resilient to environmental change, such as climate change or natural disaster. Wild animals provide great potential as a source of scientific research and new medicine that can be used for the development of various fields of science. And the last one is importance of natural beauty. Wild animals also provide aesthetic value and natural beauty. So next I will explain to you guys the impact of taming on animal welfare. Tamed animals can receive adequate food and medical care and protection from predators. And also taming can affect animals welfare in both negative and positive way. Tame animal should have five freedom in their life. First is freedom from hunger and thirst. Second is freedom from discomfort. Next is freedom from pain, harm, and disease. Next is free to express normal behavior, and the last one is free from fear and stress. A true analysis needs to be conducted to understand the consequence of taming animals, like psychological well-being, psychological well-being, abnormal behavior, and controversies behind the pet industry. And also, wild animals in animals parks and zoo has a significant impact. For the example, is species preservation and education and awareness. Next is protection and rehabilitation programs. ethics and ethical aspect, and the last one is animal freedom and human right. That's mean is consider issues around the freedom and human rights of animal in parks and zoos, and whether they are able to live a proper life, a natural setting. And so the conclusion is taming wild animals poses for conversation and animal welfare. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining harmony between humans and nature, while also considering the negative effects of taming on animals, well-being, and the controversies surrounding the pet industry. The call to action encourages individuals to support wild animals conservation without taming them. Through action such as supporting a conservation organization, participating in local programs, and advocating for ethical uh, treatment in zoos. And it also highlights the responsibility to protect natural habitat, reduce ecological footprints, and support conservation research. The goal is created the world where wild animals can thrive and reproduce freely, while ensuring the sustainability of biodiversity. By caring and respecting wildlife, we can build a more sustainable, balanced, and compassionate future for all. So that's all for me. If I made a mistake, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.